Need to create inventory and assign it to a storage location? With WHMS PRO, easily create inventory, manage QR templates, and assign storage all in one place. Let's see how you can do this in just a few simple steps. From the WHMS PRO dashboard, open Inventory and go to the List tab. Click Add Inventory to create a new inventory item. If items have already been received from a consignor, you can also find them in the inventory list and use the Action menu to edit the inventory. Enter the required inventory information, including the status, UPC code, title, and other item details. Next, add the required listing details for the platform where you plan to publish the inventory. Select the appropriate category, region, and other platform-specific information. Then, enter the item's pricing information and add any required custom fields or reference links. You can also upload up to 20 images for the inventory item. You can also use your mobile device to capture and upload images directly. Once all the information is complete, click Save to create the inventory. After creating the inventory, you'll see the inventory ID and QR code. Under Administration, open QR Template to manage your QR templates. You can create a new template, set a default template, or select a template manually when creating inventory. Once the template is assigned, you can print the QR code using the Print QR PDF option. After printing, you can attach the printed QR code to the item. Then proceed to the Assign Storage step. Now, let's assign the inventory to a storage location. Scan the storage location's QR code using your mobile device to assign the inventory item to that storage location. Once the storage location is assigned, click Finish. If you skip this step during inventory creation, you can assign the storage location later from the inventory list. Select the inventory item, click Action, and select Assign to Storage. From here, select the required storage location and click Done to assign the inventory item to storage. With WHMS PRO, easily create, organize, and assign inventory to storage, keeping it ready for publishing across any platform. Thanks for watching.